And it's that time again. Welcome to CramTime. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to do a case study of functions of Xbox versus PS4. We start right now. So you can basically call this a review of everything we've done in this playlist/unit. So first thing we're going to do is write a function based off the data we have. So here I'm comparing Xbox and PS4 cost over time. So first I need to know the initial cost. So that would be $500 for the Xbox. These are numbers when they first came out, the Xbox One and the PS4. And the initial cost of the PS4 was $400. But then when it comes to games, the Xbox game costs $30 each, and the PS4 game costs $40 each. So now all I have to do is go ahead and write my function. I'm just going to assume the f of x, and that's equal to, so my variable number would be 30x plus 500, and that's what I would have to graph and use tables for. And here I have 40x plus 400. Now we're going to move on to the next skill. So now we're going to jump into graphing. So we're going to graph the Xbox first. As we went over in previous videos, this is your y-intercept. So, oh, by the way, this bracket right here, that lets me skip from 0 to 500. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but that's the symbol for it, so you can make it easier to graph. So start at 500. So that's 0 games. I've spent $500 to get an Xbox, and now I'm going up by 30s. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and plug in the 5 there. So that's 150 plus 500, so that's 650. And then plug in the 10. That is 300 plus 500, so that's 800. And then I have 15 times 30, so that is 450 plus 500, so that's 950. So there we go. So that's my, not perfect, but that's my graph, my function for the Xbox. Now I'm going to switch over to the PS4. So now we're going to graph the PS4 graph, and then we're going to go ahead and analyze and compare. So we have our y-intercept at 400. And I am just not realizing that I did not really account for that, but we'll just go ahead and we're going to graph it right here, pretend like this is 400 now. So we're just going to go ahead, same thing as last time, we're going to take that 5, plug it in, 200 plus 400 is 600, so that's right here, then 10, 400 plus 400 is 800, so right there, and then we're going to have 400, that's $1,000 right there when you plug in 15. So you're gonna go up there to 1,000, and then go ahead and graph this. There you go. And you're immediately gonna notice that there's an intercept here, and that's where 30x is equal to 30x plus 500 is equal to 40x plus 400, also known as the number of games you need to buy. The number of games you need to buy 10 to where you have the same cost of Xbox and PS4. So again, when you're going through decision-making processes, if you weigh these two options and you look at the number of games you're expecting to buy, you can make an informed decision, and that's how functions are applicable in a practical sense. If you're currently cramming for a test, click on the correlating playlist in the description. If this video and channel were of value to you, hit that subscribe button and like the video. I'd love to hear your video requests and feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for your support and stay safe.